Every year, humanity generates billions of tons of waste. Picture towering landfills, vast oceans choked with plastic, a monumental global challenge unfolding before our eyes. But what if this overwhelming problem holds an equally overwhelming solution? What if the immense volume of discarded material actually represents untapped potential, waiting to be unlocked? This is the revolution of turning waste into wealth, an investment strategy that doesn't just clean our planet, but also builds robust, future-proof financial portfolios. Imagine an economic engine fueled not by virgin resources, but by what we once threw away, creating jobs, driving innovation, and securing prosperity for generations. The sheer volume of waste generated globally is staggering. We're talking about municipal solid waste, industrial byproducts, electronic junk, and plastic pollution, a growing tidal wave. This unchecked waste pollutes our air, contaminates our water, and destroys habitats. Landfills leach toxins into the soil, and oceans become vast plastic soup bowls. Disposing of waste costs governments and businesses trillions annually. Collection, transport, and landfill fees represent a massive drain on resources that could be invested elsewhere. Beyond the economic cost, imagine the raw materials lost: precious metals, reusable plastics, organic compounds, and energy potential, all buried or burned forever. But the paradigm is shifting. We're beginning to see waste not as a problem, but as a raw material, a valuable resource waiting for innovative minds. Recycling is the foundational step, diverting materials from landfills to be reprocessed into new products, conserving energy and reducing the need for virgin extraction. Upcycling takes this further, transforming discarded items into products of higher value and quality. Think artistic furniture from salvaged wood or stylish bags from old textiles. Waste-to-energy plants convert non-recyclable waste into electricity or heat, reducing landfill volume and creating a sustainable power source for communities. Organic waste, like food scraps and agricultural residue, can be transformed into valuable compost, biogas for energy, or even biodegradable packaging materials. This concept involves industries exchanging waste or byproducts, where one company's waste becomes another's raw material, creating efficient, closed-loop systems. Ultimately, these practices are building blocks of the circular economy, designing products for longevity, reuse, repair, and full recyclability, rather than disposal. The global shift toward sustainability isn't just an environmental imperative, it's a massive economic opportunity. Early investors are positioned to reap significant rewards. The green technology and waste management sectors are experiencing exponential growth, driven by consumer demand, corporate responsibility, and favorable government policies. Institutional investors, venture capitalists, and everyday people are increasingly allocating capital to companies demonstrating a commitment to environmental, social, and governance (ESG) principles. Innovation is booming, from advanced material science, creating biodegradable plastics, to AI-powered sorting robots and novel waste-to-fuel technologies constantly emerging. Investing in green infrastructure and circular economy solutions directly translates into job creation across manufacturing, logistics, R&D, and service sectors. Companies focused on sustainability are often more resilient to resource scarcity, regulatory changes, and reputational damage, offering a stable investment profile. Explore opportunities in waste management companies, sustainable materials producers, renewable energy derived from waste, and innovative recycling technologies. Beyond financial returns, investing in waste-to-wealth projects offers the profound satisfaction of contributing to a cleaner planet and a more equitable future. Smart investors leverage data analytics and AI to identify high-potential waste streams and the companies best equipped to transform them profitably. This movement fosters global collaboration, connecting innovators, investors, and communities worldwide to share knowledge and scale solutions for maximum impact. Consider plastic waste. Innovative startups are developing systems to chemically recycle mixed plastics into fuel or virgin-grade materials, cracking a persistent problem. Food waste, a major contributor to methane emissions, is being transformed into nutrient-rich fertilizer and clean biogas, powering homes and farms. Discarded electronics are a treasure trove of valuable metals like gold, silver, and copper. New technologies are efficiently recovering these precious resources. Consumer demand for eco-friendly packaging is driving innovation in biodegradable and compostable alternatives made from waste materials like mushroom mycelium or seaweed. Coal ash from power plants can be repurposed for concrete, and slag from steel production can reinforce roads, turning industrial liabilities into assets. Even on a small scale, composting food scraps reduces landfill burden and creates valuable fertilizer for gardens, connecting individuals to natural cycles. Local community initiatives, like repair cafes and material exchange programs, foster resourcefulness and build local economies from salvaged materials. Investments in waste management technologies create efficient collection, advanced processing facilities, and innovative product development, forming a self-sustaining economic loop. Governments worldwide are implementing policies, extended producer responsibility, carbon pricing, landfill bans that create a favorable environment for waste-to-wealth investments. AI, IoT, and blockchain are revolutionizing waste tracking, sorting efficiency, and transparent supply chains, making operations more intelligent and profitable. Dedicated research labs are pushing boundaries, engineering novel materials from cellulose, fungi, and algae, offering sustainable alternatives to plastics and textiles. Future factories will be designed as closed-loop systems, consuming minimal resources and ensuring every output is either reused, recycled, or safely biodegraded. Your choices as a consumer, supporting brands with sustainable practices and demanding recycled content, drive market demand for waste-derived products. Green bonds and sustainable investment funds are specifically designed to finance environmentally beneficial projects, including advanced waste management solutions. Investing in waste-to-wealth is not just about profit. It's about future-proofing your portfolio against evolving environmental regulations and resource scarcity. This isn't charity, it's smart economics. By transforming waste, we tackle environmental crises while simultaneously unlocking immense financial value and economic growth. The wealth of the future will be measured not just in capital, but in sustainability, resourcefulness, and the positive impact we have on our planet. The transition is happening now. By choosing to invest in green solutions and circular economy principles, you invest in a cleaner, more prosperous world. Are you ready to turn discarded materials into tangible assets and contribute to a thriving, sustainable economy? The opportunity is immense, and the time is now. Explore green investment funds, research innovative waste management companies, or simply start making conscious choices in your daily life. Every action counts. By investing in a greener future today, you're not just building wealth. You're cultivating a legacy of innovation, sustainability, and prosperity for all.